supplies I'm using today: yarn from Walmart, Dollar Tree glue sticks, glue gun, scissors, 2 of these Dollar Tree floor mats, as well as some fiber fill from Walmart as well. And now I'm just going to decide, do I want to face them inside out or let the yellow design show? I'm going to remove the tags and do a little flipping them around to see which way, well, which design I guess I could say I want to use. So immediately once I get that sorted, I'm going to start hot gluing. And I am putting a thick coat of glue, I would say, but making sure to leave my corners open because I'll later use those, and I don't want them to be already glued or you have to go back and cut them up. And this was so quick and just fun. I didn't think it was going to be fun, but it actually was. Just something about laying the mats together. And I didn't have to sew, and the hot glue secured it very well. I'm going to flip it inside out. And as you can see, it's sealed up very tight. No sew. I'm going to take my yarn. I'm just going to wrap a couple strings around. And then I'm just going to cut little sections. Then I'm going to add another piece of string, longer string around, and tie them twice in a little knot. And I'm just making little tassels. Very quick and simple. I don't know a better way to make them. So this is my method of making them. My pretty little granddaughter wanted to debut herself on my video. And this is just going to be a closer up view of what I'm doing, so in case you couldn't see from far back. And I'm just repeating the same step until I have a total of 8 tassels. That's 2 per end. And now I'm going to insert my tassels. I'm just going to go back and find that same hole, stick my finger through, run the tassel through, and hot glue it to make sure it's secure. And I'm going to do this by holding the long strings that I used. So those are hot glued on the inside of the pillow. Once my tassel is nice and secure, I'll go ahead and do the other side. Now comes the fun part, the filler. I'm just stuffing that in as thick as I want it to be. And I'm just pretty much fluffing it out. Now time for my other two tassels. Once I have enough filler, I'm going to take my scissors and cut the other two ends off. Just because I don't want those little pointy pieces once I glue my tassel. And I'm just going to make sure that my tassel is nice and secure. Then we're going to go ahead and apply the second, well, the fourth tassel. Now it's time to close my pillow up. And I'm just going to take some hot glue and fold the piece, the end piece inside. And not very much, and just a little, just so it would have the tucked look as the rest of the pillow. And now I'm just going to close my baby up. Same method, applying my glue and making sure that it's secure. And once I have it closed up, I'm just going to take and fluff it out a bit just to make sure that my filler is even throughout the pillow. I'm going to trim my tassels a little bit. And that's it, y'all. I am done. My own throw pillow or decorative pillow. Nice and secure. My tassels. And you can make the tassels as thick as you want. I didn't want them that thick. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see when I add another video. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.